Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my food cart. Today I am making macaroni pasta for you. It is 1 pound elbow shaped macaroni. First I will boil it, then make pasta sauce. So let's start with Bismillah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am boiling 10 cups of water with 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of oil. Now add pasta and let it cook on low flame for 9 minutes. Then drain it and keep 1.5 cups of pasta water to make sauce. InshaAllah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. To make sauce for pasta, I have 1.5 cups of pasta water, onion 1 medium size, tomato 1 medium size, garlic 1 bulb grated, oil half cup, red chili powder half teaspoon, coriander powder 1 tablespoon, garam masala powder half teaspoon, salt 1 teaspoon, tomato ketchup or marinara sauce 3 tablespoon, cayenne pepper I am using half teaspoon, and black pepper powder half teaspoon to make pasta sauce. So let's start with Bismillah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. To make pasta sauce, add oil in the pan, then onion, and fry them on low flame for 1 minute. Then add tomato in it and fry for another 1 minute. Now add garlic. Also fry them for 1 minute. Now add pasta water, red chili powder, salt, coriander powder, garam masala powder, tomato ketchup, cayenne pepper, and black pepper. Mix it and let it cook on medium-low flame for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, keep the flame high to make the sauce a little bit thick. I am also making chapli kebab with pasta. You can get recipe for chapli kebab on my YouTube channel, my food cart, InshaAllah. Sauce become thick. Now add pre-boiled pasta in it. Mix it very well. Keep the flame low while mixing. After 1 minute, yummy pasta is ready. Dish out with Bismillah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillah, very tasty pasta with chapli kebab already. Enjoy them and share the recipe with your family and friends. Also subscribe to my YouTube channel, my food cart, and follow me on Instagram. Allah Hafiz.